Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Neetu and we will do the chapter 2nd of class 6, that is component of food. Component means a part of a whole thing. So in this section we will learn about the different components of food as well as the functions of these components. In the previous chapter, we learned about the ingredients and the different food items require different ingredients. As we know that these ingredients we will get from either plants or from animals. So to make a food item, we can use less ingredient as well as the more ingredient. For an example, if we are preparing roti, we need less ingredients. If we are preparing dal, we need more ingredients. Now let us understand what is nutrients. Nutrients means some important components which are present in the ingredients, and that components which are very essential for the proper growth of our body, they are called nutrients. These ingredients, so we are talking about these ingredients. So these ingredients contain some components. Components means a part of a whole item. So these ingredients contain some components that are needed by our body. So these components are called nutrients. So we have some major nutrients. They are carbohydrates, proteins, fat, vitamins and minerals. So these 5 are known as the major nutrients. In addition, we have dietary fiber and food which are also needed by our body. Now let's move to our first major nutrient, which is carbohydrates. So there are many types of carbohydrates present in our food, but the main carbohydrate found in our food is in the form of starch as well as sugars. So carbohydrates का जो main function है, that is to provide the energy to our body. So they provide energy to our body, so we call them as a energy giving foods. Rice, bajra, wheat, potato, sweet potato, sugarcane, papaya, mango, maize are the some examples of carbohydratic food. If you want to test for the presence of starch in the food item, we have a test for it. So for that test, you need a food item. So that food item should be in a smaller quantity. So you have to take the food item in a smaller quantity, add 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution. So dilute iodine solution you will get in your lab. So after adding 2 to 3 drops of dilute iodine solution, wait for some times. If the color changes into blue black, so the blue black color indicates the presence of starch in the food. Next, let's move to our second major nutrient, which is protein. Protein are also needed for the proper growth and repair of our body, because protein help for the repairment of the cells of our body. So we can call protein as a body building food. जिन भी लोगों को अपनी बॉडी बनानी होती है, मसल्स बनानी होती हैं, they consume more protein rich food. We have some example like peas, gram, moong, beans, soya bean, milk, eggs, paneer, fish. So these up to soya bean are the examples of plant based product, as well as milk, egg, paneer, fish are the examples of animal based products. So we have a test to check the protein present in the food items. If we are doing a test for protein, we need a food item in a smaller amount. So if we are considering the food item in the solid state, then we need to crush it or powder it, or we can make a paste of it. After making paste, add 10 drops of water in it. Shake the test tube properly. Add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solutions. Wait for few minutes. After that, if the color changes into violet, the violet color indicates the presence of protein in it. Now let's move to a third major nutrient, which is fats. Fats also gives us energy to our body, so we can call them as a energy giving food. So there will be a major difference between fats as well as carbohydrates, क्योंकि दोनों का ही काम एनर्जी प्रोवाइड करने का होता है, बट द फैट्स gives energy much more as compared to the same amount of carbohydrates. Groundnut, coconut oil, mustard oil, nuts, till, egg, fish, meat, ghee are some examples of fats. If you want to test whether the food items contain fat or not, we have a test for it. So we have to, for this test, we need a food items in a smaller amount. Then wrap the food item with a piece of paper and crush it. क्रश करते समय ध्यान रखिए पेपर ना फटे. Then straighten the paper and observe it carefully. If you can see a oil patch on paper, the oil patch indicates the food item consists of fat. Now we have done the 3 different tests for carbohydrates, protein as well as on fats. Now the question arises, does a food items contain more than one nutrient? क्या ऐसा कोई food item है जिसमें more than one nutrient होता है? This is the question arises by understanding the carbohydrates, protein and fats. If you know the answer, please write down in the comment section. If you don't know the answer, watch my next video to get the answer. One more question for you is, tell me whether rice, milk and egg are the example of which nutrient? So this is the question for you. Rice, milk and egg are the example of which nutrients? If you like the video, please share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.